In this lecture, we will discuss about Address Resolution Protocol, that is ARP. Let us understand what is ARP. It is a protocol used to map an IP address to a MAC address, that is physical address on a local network. This is how it works. So when one device wants to communicate with another device, it sends an ARP request message to that particular network. The device with that IP address will respond with its MAC address, that is the physical address, allowing the requesting device to send a message to the correct physical device on the network. Now question is, what is the ARP packet spoofing or ARP poisoning or ARP cache poisoning? Your answer should be, it is a type of attack where an attacker sends and falsified ARP messages in order to link their MAC address with the IP address of another device. Now let us understand what is a dynamic ARP inspection. It is a security feature used in computer networks to protect against ARP spoofing attacks. It works by inspecting the ARP packets on the network and ensuring that they are legitimate before allowing them to be forwarded. Next question. Which security feature protects the switching devices against ARP packet spoofing attack? Your answer should be dynamic ARP inspection. Let us understand the next question. Which feature of switches uses the DHCP snooping database to help avoid man-in-the-middle attacks? Same answer, that is DAI, Dynamic ARP Inspection. It uses the DHCP snooping database to determine whether ARP requests are legitimate and not falsified. Now let us understand what is ARP ping scan. It is a technique used to discover the devices that are currently active on a local network. So even hidden devices will be detected through ping scan. Now let us understand next question. Which host discovery technique will help to discover all the active devices hidden by a restrictive firewall? As we discussed earlier, ARP ping scan. Let us understand what are the features of a BetterCap tool. It is a network analysis tool written in Go language. It is used for conducting various types of security testing, including man-in-the-middle attack using ARP spoofing. Okay, so now identify the tool from below description. Tool is written in Go language and to carry out man-in-the-middle attack by way of ARP spoofing. As we discussed earlier, BetterCap. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, Please do check the link available at the description.